Okay. Now, as we said that this is a processing block. Now, processing block, as I said, is just like a residential block. Next is write the input was. Now, this text will be write justified. Okay. At selection screen, this is the next part. At selection screen output. This is one processing block. This is another processing block. We'll be studying processing blocks in very detail. At selection screen output, when it creates an output of the selection screen. Start of selection means the first screen, start of the program, and then the next output will be the next screen. On that, it will actually write p name and also write end. Check, activate. Direct processing. The input was, it's not actually. Okay, at selection screen output, write p name, activate. Input was, okay, it's not registering at the outputs. What we'll do, we'll deactivate this. The input was Tuesday end. Now, how did it actually land up in the next line? Because I used this part, this thing. Okay. Start of selection at selection screen output. Next is and end of selection. Now, end of selection is also means that it is the end of a processing block. We'll study this, but right now we'll not actually do anything. So basically, now data structures, basically, if you look at how we arrange our logic, it requires a little bit of trial and error. It comes with practice. Okay. And of course, practice will continue, but what is most important is to develop your own repo as well. Repo, your code will be, let me just show you uh, how to build your repo. Okay, still loading. In the meantime, I'll just show how to data structures. Okay. I hope you're getting the point. You'll just write this code and save it, and it will become a part of your repo. Okay.